Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Who has just visited my channel, click the like button and comment on the comment section. Thanks for the patience. So today we have a Glamigo box for the month of December. So this is how the box reached me. Shipping is quick and safe. So let's open it and check which product they have sent me. It's a surprising that by giving only 299 rupees plus shipping charge, and I'm finding it in 2700 rupees product. So this is how the box looks like. It comes in very cool blue color and it is written above, don't trouble Santa, just Glamigo, because the Christmas is coming to an end. This box is also kept on the same theme. So let me unbox this box. So here we go. This is how it looks inside. First we have info card about a light experience, and all the products and their prices are mentioned here. And second we have card about two products. First is Manakadar and second is sea clay mask. So these are all the products, and I'm gonna start with my favorite product is Glow Illuminator from the brand Manakadar. Actually this type of highlighter I was looking for me a long time. Today I got my search full. So first of all use it and see how it is working. Okay, this is a glossy finish and there is glitter in it, so I'm very happy to find the star product of this subscription box, and it is, the price is 2100 rupees, which is incredible for this product. And then we have Sea Clay Mother Nature's Gift of Love Clarifying Face Mask from the brand Natural Bath and Body, and this face mask claims that it removes dirt, sweats, impurities and also makes the face slightly bright. The price is 175 rupees for this product, and this is the second product of this box. And then we have Monster BioGold Collagen Eye Mask. This type of eye mask I have used before. It is really very effective, and this eye mask claims that it reduces the number of wrinkles and increase the brightness, and the price is 200 rupees for this product. And then finally we have the fourth product. It is the brand of Sea Soul. This is our Dead Sea Anti-Tan Spa Pedicure Kit, and this product claims that it intensive healing tan removal series, and it is one time pedicure kit, and it is natural and organic product. It contains Dead Sea minerals, salt and mud, Moroccan organ oil, and the direction behind how to use this product is here, and its price is 160 rupees. So this is the fourth product of this box. I like the most in all these products is first is highlighter and second is Monserve eye mask, and together all of these products is cost 2700 rupees, and these are done with Glamigo box for the month of December, and all the product is suitable for all skin type. So I have put links in the description box, and I hope this video might have been helpful to you. That's for today. Very soon I will come back with a new video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.